go and, well, not necessarily quick, but a neat way of doing hatching, road marking hatching. So if we have two lines that we want to hatch between, so I'm just going to match properties. So we're going to do a hatch between these two. What we want to draw is, first we want to draw a polyline. This is going to be our template for our hatching. We're going to make it 0.1 meters global width, so 10 centimeters wide. I'm going to click on, select the hatch, select the line that's going to become our hatching, and select the middle point so it goes red, and just drag it onto the end of our, the corner of our, the point of our hatching. Next I'm going to draw a polyline from that point, roughly in the middle of the hatching. Then I'm going to go onto here again, and I'm going to rotate this so it's in line with that line. But rather than guessing where's roughly equal, I'm going to type R for reference, select the base point, the end point, and then a point on that line, and then it'll be exactly in line with what it needs to be. So we don't want our hatching to be like that, we want it to be rotated by 45 degrees. So I'm just going to click on that middle point and go to space twice, and then it'll be on rotate. I think I need to type -45, there you go. So now that's at the right orientation. And so now what we're going to do, we're going to use the array function to replicate this line all the way down here. Okay. So just type AR for array, and then we want the path, and the path is going to be this line in the middle. So PA for path. Select the path, and now it's going to replicate that line. We want it at 3 meter spacing. So if we change that to 3, then you've got that line every 3 meters. Now we want to trim it to this as well, don't we? So the first thing we need to do is X for explode to turn it back into individual lines. Delete that middle line, and to do it neatly, I just tend to offset by 0.1 each of these lines. And then I'm going to trim the hatch into that line. So I'm going to do TR for trim. I'm going to select the two new lines that I've copied, space, and then I'm going to do F for fence, and so it's going to trim everything that's touching that line, and then I'm going to do F for fence again, and select everything and trim that, and then just get rid of these extra bits that we don't want. Get rid of the two lines on the middle. And that's just a neat way of doing hatching. You can do it around.
I would have trimmed it